AI has officially broken the internet, and most people don't even realize it yet. Today, you scroll through your social feeds and you see videos, images, and voices that feel as real as can be. The shocking thing is that a lot of this isn't even made by humans anymore. But the thing is, AI can create entire articles, photos, and talking videos in just a matter of seconds. This means the internet is now filled with content that is either entirely made by AI or heavily edited by AI. The line between real and fake is quickly blurring. This is the real issue, as authentic content on the internet is becoming hard to find. There is fake news, deepfakes, and AI content all over the place. The real question is, are we still even using the internet, or is the AI controlling everything we see?